everyone, my name is Hafiz. I like playing. I like playing with toys. I like playing with toys every night. I play with toys in the dining room. I have many toys. There are some toy cars, puzzles, and blocks. My sister likes playing toys with me. We play toys every morning. She has a doll, hula hoop, and a kitchen set. The doll is white and the hula hoop is red. She plays the toys in the morning. I do not like playing with hula hoop because I am not good at playing hula hoop. My sister usually borrows my toys. My sister likes playing with my toy cars. What toys do